What is going on YouTube? Many of you have been asking for an update, so here it is guys. I'm going to be showing you how to get mods on Gorilla Tag working right now in 2026 with no PC. This is the easiest method guys. This is a simple promo code that you can redeem in your Gorilla Tag game, so it's in the redeem code part of the computer. And it is going to unlock a secret mod menu that only admins have access to, but you can also get access if you have this code that I'm going to show you. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and get mods on Gorilla Tag, make sure you drop a like on this video and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tutorials for this awesome VR game. So anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to get mods on Gorilla Tag working right now. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. Now, like I said, this is a no PC method. So this is literally just using your mobile internet to get your Gorilla Tag code that you can use to access the secret mod menu. So you need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it exactly like this, guys. COLDCOUPONS. And Cold Coupons is a game code website that I discovered earlier today. I was searching for a few hours. I was trying tons of different methods to get mods on Gorilla Tag, and trust me when I say this is the easiest and fastest and safest method. So use the search bar, and you're going to want to use that guys to find the Gorilla Tag codes page, because there are hundreds of different pages and it's going to take you all day scrolling through. So this page has a few different codes, and you can see this is a really popular method. I actually found this method to get mods on Gorilla Tag in another YouTube video, but it only had a few hundred views, and I tried it and it worked, so I thought I'd share it with my subscribers. So scroll down, and this is the code. This is going to get you access to the secret mod menu in Gorilla Tag. Now, the best part about this method, guys, is it is a 100% working safe method, because it is just a code that you redeem in game, and the mod menu's already there in the back end, so the admins use it. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your Gorilla Tag code. This is to stop people from taking the limited numbers, and it does verify you as a real person. So you're going to see this page here once you click that button, and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your mod code for Gorilla Tag. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code. Now, I did this earlier and it did take me about 5 minutes, which I know can be annoying, but I think it's worth it considering you are getting this awesome mod menu access. So you need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of the tasks. They're all completely free. These are really easy things like installing and opening mobile games and playing them, and answering survey questions. Just very important you do follow the instructions below each of the apps, because that tells you how to complete them. If you do that, it's going to send you back to this page, and your Gorilla Tag mod menu code will be unlocked, and the full code will be unblurred and revealed for you to use. Once you go ahead and use it in game, that is going to get you mods on Gorilla Tag, and this is the easiest method, guys, working in 2026 with no PC. So use your mobile, head on over to Cold Coupons and select the mod menu Gorilla Tag code. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.